Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notifications. So guys, today I'm doing something very different from what I do on my channel. This is because I usually get a lot of messages on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat on how I edit my thumbnails, and I always have to explain to each one of you how I edit my thumbnails. So I decided, why not just do a video on how I edit my thumbnails so that you guys can learn how to do it, and then my DMs can come down a little. So I haven't really done a voiceover before. I did a voiceover in one of my videos. That was for like, I think 20 seconds. And this time I'm doing a voiceover for like a whole video, like 10 minutes. So please relax for me and let me make this video as detailed as possible. So let's get right into the video. First of all, before you can edit a thumbnail like how I do, you have to download the app Affinity Photos on your laptop. I use my laptop to edit, so you have to download that on your laptop. You can download it for free. As you guys can see, I'm waiting for it to download, but I'm not going to make it finish downloading because I already have the app on my laptop. I'm just showing you how to go about it, and this is how the icon looks like. Yeah, now that our app has finished downloading, we'll open it, and when you open it, you're going to get some pop-ups. Just ignore them. I haven't really read those ones, but just cancel, and then you choose file. When you choose file, you choose new. Now when you choose new, there's going to be a pop-up on the size you want, how you want the this is hard, guys. This is hard. How you want your thumbnail size, and you know YouTube has a particular thumbnail size, so automatically it already has the thumbnail size there, but then if you want to change it, you can change it, and when you're done, you press OK. So we're going to create two different files, two new files. If I'm using the right term, you drag and drop the picture you want to use for your thumbnail on both backgrounds, the two backgrounds we created. After that, there's an icon on your left hand side that looks like an arrow. You tap on it, and then you make sure you resize the picture to fill the white background. On a track again. On your left hand side again, there's a tool that looks like a square. You tap on it, and then you choose the rectangle. Position at the top corner and drag to the end of the picture. At the right hand corner, you can see histogram, color, etc. Tap on color and choose your desired color. As you can see, you know your girl likes green, so I'm going to be going with a dark green color. Then I'm going to choose the gradient tool on my left hand side of the screen. The gradient tool is going to divide the picture into two so that I can change the colors. I want a green at the top and then a different color at the down. You can also make it maybe green at the down and a different color at the top, whichever color that suits you. Now I'm going to go to the right side of my screen. Under the colors, you can see opacity. So you reduce it to the percentage you want. Usually I use about 60 to 70%. Remember at the beginning of the video, I made you make two different white backgrounds, and I made you drag and drop the same picture twice. So now we are going to the second picture. We haven't worked on that one yet. We're going to do the same thing as we did for the first one, resizing the picture to cover the whole, to cover the whole white background. Then we zoom the picture. The zoom is at the left hand side, the last icon. That's where it is. Now we're going to choose the selection brush tool because we're going to cut out my face. my beautiful face, because that's what we want. We don't want the background. So we're going to cut out the face. At this point, you would have to take your time because we just want the human being and nothing else.
On a track again. Ooh. I bet no same when you know wake up inside. When my day no change, when you know they my life. I'll be okay with my baby by my side. Give you everything, never go make you cry. Whether you talk plus me, I know be perfect, but I be you know I put the work in. I figure say I know get time to swerve this. See the way you vex me, say I know be worth it. Relax and feel the vibe move. I go feel reminisce just like others do. If you to tell me if you come through, don't waste my time. Is what I'm telling you. Me in my life, I've always had this pressure. Give it all I got me. I know, understand, say whether these feelings no go flow. Girl, sake of all this pressure, this loving give me pressure. This loving give me pressure. 'Cause I've been watching you for a while now. Make we vibrate. Whoa, whoa. Forget everybody and make we gyrate. Yeah. Oh, make we vibrate. Whoa, whoa. Forget everybody and make we gyrate. Yeah. If you know they feel for me like I feel for you.
Now we go to edit, copy flattened, and then you paste on the first project. On the right side of your screen, under the colors, you will see adjustments, layouts, and effects. Click on effects. After effects, you go through and then we choose outline because we want to make our thumbnail look extra nice. Then you increase the radius to how you want it, whether thick, thin, extra thick, whichever one. If you don't want to use outline, you can choose outer glow. I love to use outer glow because it makes my thumbnail look glowy. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but it makes the thumbnail look extra cute and pretty. Now we are going to add text to our thumbnail, and with that you go to the left corner of your screen, tap on the big A, then you highlight the part of your thumbnail where you want your text to be, and you type a text. I'm going to be typing how I create my thumbnail.
Yeah. On a track again. Ooh. I bet no same when you know wake up inside. When my day no change.
It's in a default type of font, so if you want to change the font, you go through the fonts and you choose the one you love. Now it's time to save our project. With that, you click on File, you choose Export. A pop-up menu will appear. Then you will see PNG, JPEG, etc. We don't want any of those ones. We want to save in JPEG. after you click on export, you choose how you want to save your file. So I'm going to name mine how I create my thumbnail.
Forget everybody and make we gyrate. Oh, make we vibrate. Whoa.
I know someone's going to see this and say it's difficult. Trust me, when I started, it was difficult for me. But as time went on, I became really good at it. I'm still exploring this app. So if I find anything new, I will let you all know. This brings us to the end of my video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications. I know this is different from all my other videos. So I see you all in my next video.